But that night, a fierce storm swept through the island. It was the strongest wind the engines had ever known. It blustered and blew. The wind howled down the tracks and tore down the trees. It ripped off roofs and flattened fences. It even blew Gordon's tent away. Bother, huffed Gordon. The other engines were glad to be tucked in for the night, but they were worried. I hope we're safe here, Percy shivered. The wind blew all night long. The Sodor suspension bridge twisted and shook in the strong winds. And then there was trouble.